Hi guys, this is actually going to be a styling video. If you remember in my last Support a Sister haul, I looked cute, girl. I looked real cute. So I got a couple of requests to show how I styled my hair in that video, and that was actually the Toni wig. Super easy the way I styled it, so let me just jump right into it. I just have my hair in some twists right now, which is normally the case when I wear my wigs. And I put it all back. The only difference is I leave one out. So I'm just gonna put these all back. Put them under a wig cap. Leave this little guy out. And then take my trusty Toni wig out. So with this style, pretty much all my hair is covered. So I put the comb in the front and in the back. Except for this one twist, which I leave out. And fluff, and fluff, and fluff, and fluff, and fluff. So this wig, I actually fluffed this one out quite a bit. They are synthetic pre-styled wigs, the wigs that I sell, so it's up to you how much you want to fluff it out. I know a lot of people don't like the look of a lot of frizz. If you don't like the look of a lot of frizz, then just don't frizz it out. I happen to think it adds to it. So I usually just go through and keep pulling the curls a little bit until I'm happy with the look. Once I fluff it out the way I want, I brought this side over a little bit just to give it that shape. And then remember the little twist that we left out? Just go ahead and untwist that. So that way your hair is covering part of the wig. So then all I did was take this side and sort of smooth it down and put some bobby pins in it. That's one. That's two. That's three. Let's see how that feels. Yeah, that feels pretty good. So 3 bobby pins. Y'all, that's all I did. Like, how easy is that? You want to be a little bit extra, you can be part of that baby hair brigade. You know what I'm saying? Put a little bit of edge control. This edge control I'm using is by a company called Up North Naturals. It's Black owned, not sponsored. And then, you know, you can do your little swoop-de-whoops. Like so. So that's literally all I did, you guys. I just fluffed and used 3 bobby pins and a little bit of gel or edge control. And I love this look. It's so cute. Now, of course, you can actually achieve this look with any wig. Like, you can use the Gabrielle wig or the Toni wig or the Toni XL wig or whatever wig you have at home, girl. But since I was asked how I achieved it, I just want to show you what I did, girl.